it is not clear what is the nature of the demolition permit that you obtain from your local government. Generally, if it is a demolition permit, it could mean that the occupants or the construction that is made in your property is not authorized, or they have no corresponding construction permit, or it could be a nuisance or a hazard to the community. I suggest that since it is the local government who gave you the demolition permit, they should be the one who should implement it, and it should not be you, because otherwise there could be there is a possibility that you could be sued. Okay, another option that you can do is you can file an ejectment suit, no, in the court of law, and then you attach that document. You submit that document in your petition or complaint to the court, giving you their authority or the permit by the local government to demolish, no, to effect the demolition of the authorized occupants or construction in your area. In this way, you could be protected for whatever counter claim or complaint that may be filed against you, because as a rule, no, it's only the court who can order the demolition of a certain structure, unless the state, no, or the government, in the exercise of its police power, no, and in order to abate public nuisance which could endanger the lives and properties of the public, no, may exercise that police power to enforce and implement the demolition order. Otherwise, if there's no imminent danger to the public or to the occupants, then I would suggest that you go to court and seek the court order for the implementation of the demolition permit that you obtain from your local government. Lamang na kayo pag may alam sa batas.